64 tourists were rescued from North Sikkim's Lachung and moved to Mangan town. The rescue operation, however, had to be halted due to inclement weather, and the remaining tourists would be moved today. Around 1,200 tourists are speculated to be stuck in Lachung. These were supposed to be in fact airlifted, but the adverse weather conditions hampered the plans. At first, 9 tourists were brought to Mangan by road and another 55 joined them later in the day.
See, there were around 2,000 tourists, 1,580 something, that is the record we have, and plus drivers and other, they are stranded at different locations in Lachung and Chungthang. So far we have asked them to stay wherever they are. So we have clearly issued orders to all the hotels not to force check out the tourists. The administration led by Sub SDM Chungthang is there in this spot. We are closely monitoring the situation. So we are taking care of the tourists about their ration, their stay there. So as far as our plan for evacuation is concerned, we thought of evacuating them through heli service, but the weather is not very conducive right now. It's continuously raining for last 4-5 days. Morning is clear for few hours, then again starts raining. So we've not been able to rescue them through the air services. But the state government has already made arrangement of helicopters with Indian Air Force and the Army. As soon as the weather improves, we'll be airlifting them. So today what we did was there are a lot of landslide in between multiple places. So BROs, our own forest department, NDRF, SDRF, district administration. What we did was from yesterday only, the entire team was on the spot. So we have constructed a log bridge wherever there is a slide. And in between the slide, we have arranged transit vehicles, the vehicles which were stuck between these two slides. We have requisitioned their services. And today, by evening, we hope to evacuate around 50 of them. 9 of them have already left for Gangtok. By now, they must have reached Gangtok. And 41 of them are on the way to Mangan. They will be reaching Mangan anytime.
Well, we will shortly be joined by our colleague Prosenjit Chaudhary, who will help us understand the situation and the current and the latest updates that's coming in from the ground. But let's also take a look at what exactly happened. As you just heard, 2 back-to-back landslides is what struck Sikkim. Almost 1,200, in fact more than 1,200 tourists were stranded in Sikkim's Mangan district due to the disruption in road and communication network, and this was on June 16 that they were to be evacuated. However, the weather conditions have been such in the area that it has become difficult to airlift these tourists out of these particular spots, because the landslides also have disrupted the road networks that are currently there, the transportation networks that are in Sikkim, which is why they have to be airlifted. And currently, these are the visuals that we are bringing to you. There are several tourists who are in fact stuck. 64 tourists were rescued, in fact, from North Sikkim's Lachung and moved to the Mangan town. And however, these rescue operations were halted because of the inclement weather, and the remaining tourists would be moved today. Right now, Prosenjit Chaudhary joins us on the broadcast to help us understand this in further depth. Prosenjit, very good morning to you. सबसे पहले आप हमें ये बताएं कि ये जो टूरिस्ट्स वहाँ फंसे हुए हैं, इनको निकालने के लिए अधिकारी अभी क्या कर रही है? जो बचाव कार्य है वो किस स्तर पर पहुँची है अभी तक?
Due to a huge rain, Tista and North Sikkim, this area, ये काफ़ी सारे ब्रिजेस वहाँ पे डैमेज हुआ है, काफ़ी सारे रोड्स जो है वो कोलैप्स कर चुके हैं, इसीलिए ये लोग स्टक हो चुके हैं. लगभग 2000 के आसपास में टूरिस्ट है, और सिक्किम गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से इंडियन एयरफोर्स को कहा गया है कि एयरलिफ्ट करने के लिए, लेकिन एयरलिफ्ट के लिए गुड वेदर चाहिए. वहाँ पे हेलीकॉप्टर को जाना है, काफ़ी सारे टूरिस्ट है, रिपीटेडली जाना है और टूरिस्ट को लेके आसपास के सेफ प्लेस में लेके आना है, लेकिन ये हो नहीं पा रहा है क्योंकि ये वेदर का सिचुएशन अभी भी ठीक नहीं है। ऑल्टरनेटिव वे सिक्किम का गवर्नमेंट कुछ काम कर रहा है, जैसे कि एक साइड में रास्ता को बनाया जा रहा है, जो रास्ता क्लियर हो रहा है, जो सारे ब्रिजेस क्लियर हो रहे हैं, रोड जो लैंडस्लाइड को सारा हटा के वहाँ से गाड़ी चलने के लिए उपयोगी किया जा रहा है, वहाँ से कुछ लोगों को लेके ये लोग बाई वॉकिंग दे आर कमिंग। कहाँ पे आएगा ये लोग मंगन में आएगा, मंगन में ले आके इन लोगों को रखा जा रहा है। वेदर अच्छा होने के बाद इन लोगों को हेलीकॉप्टर से एयरलिफ्ट किया जाएगा। 2000 टूरिस्ट के अलावा कुछ फॉरेन नेशनल्स भी है जो लोग घूमने के लिए सिक्किम में आए थे, वो लोग भी वहाँ पे रुके हुए हैं। सब मिला के सिचुएशन आज भी हुई है, आप देख ही रहे हो, काफ़ी सारा आज भी बारिश हो रहा है, इसीलिए आज भी शायद ये एयरलिफ्टिंग नहीं हो पाएगा सिक्किम में।
जी प्रसेनजीत जी, आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए as we now shift our focus from Sikkim. Remember, we will keep bringing you all the latest updates from Sikkim, but Prasenjit continues to be with us.